Welcome to Proctor. Dear educators, Proctor provides end-to-end digitization solution to enable educators to effectively manage their institute. Proctor features among the top 10 most promising education app. Proctor has implemented its solutions at over 2,500 educational institutes in more than 125 cities across the India. We are glad to introduce Proctor LMS, which will help you to empower your educational institute with technology by conducting live interactive classes, securely sharing recorded lectures with students, conducting online exams, collecting fees online.
Hello everyone, we are here to discuss Proctor LMS Learning Management Solution. Proctor LMS provides white label solution for coaching institutes, individual teachers with their own branding. We do provide white label application as well as the white label website. You can customize your website, like you can put your own logo, the favicon, each and everything you can make changes in your website. So let's discuss about the student application first. So the app will be completely white label with your institute name. As I said, with your institute branding, it will be available on Play Store. So in the front page of application, you can announce any notification. You can put the link as well in the notification. You can share your videos. The videos, you can decide the thumbnails, and as I said, it will be completely secure. Like no one can record your screen, no one can take these screenshots. So complete DRM security will be there. Similarly, you can share the materials, the content, PDF content, Word content, in whichever way, like in whichever format you want to share the content, you can share the content with the student. We do have the option to read only. Suppose if you want to give them the option to download the videos, so you can give them the option, and similarly if you can provide them the option of view only. Products, you can launch n number of products. So here we have some demo products for you. You can view the thumbnails. Definitely you can make the changes in the thumbnails, and all the products will be available in the store section. So the product name, for which course you are launching the project, each things you can manage from the admin account. You can run the offers as well in the same product. Payment gateway will be integrated here, so any student can download the app and they can directly purchase from here. In payment gateway, each and every type of payment will be there, like Paytm, net banking, everything. I'll show you one demo. So yeah, like card, UPI, net banking, all type of payment modes will be there in the payment gateway. So it's very easy. They can directly purchase the products and it will be credited in your account. Apart from this, if you want to share any videos with the students, so all type of courses, you can decide the subject, the topic name, you can decide from the admin account. You can view some videos we have already listed here. Then we have a live lecture platform. So in the live classes, we are providing Zoom integration. So how it works? Right now, you may be sharing the link with the student, maybe on WhatsApp or the Gmail, anyway, or you are sending them on a text message, like any other way. So how it works, if we'll be integrating your Zoom account, student need not to download the Zoom separately in their device, maybe in the mobile phone. They'll be downloading your application and they can directly join the class from the application itself. They need not to download the Zoom separately, or you need not to share the Zoom link. They'll be downloading the app and it will be in Zoom. Your Zoom account only will be integrated. Even if you want to allow them recorded option, recorded live lectures, so after few hours the recorded videos also will be available for them. Along with this, we have a test option as well, so you can take unlimited test. Questions you can upload in bulk like PDF and Word. I'm starting one test. So here if you want to put any pictures, so you can upload in questions, audio, videos as well. So after submission, student can get the complete advanced report of the test. They can get the report of test, the section wise analysis, question wise report, the complete scorecard they can generate after the test, after the completion of the test. Apart from this, we have the option like they can directly make the fee payment from the application itself. They can view their payment history in the due details they can do, and directly they make their payment. Here your social links like your social networking sites like YouTube, Instagram will be connected. So these are all the features in the application. So let's talk about the website now. Yes, so this is all about the website. This is the demo website. So in the home section, you can view some about us page, then FAQs and testimonials. So from admin account, you can change this cover page. Here your logo will come, here your favicon will come. And of course, the website will be completely white label if required, like your coachinginstitutename.com. Here is student login. So in the about us section, if you want to make any changes, that also you can do. FAQs, we have listed some FAQs, but of course, if you want to add any other FAQs, that of course you can do this. Testimonials you can upload from admin account. About us, contact us, courses, each and everything you can change as per your institute. Apart from this, here come your courses listed. So student can view all the courses listed here. This is the product section. So all the products will be available here. And separately also we have the FAQ section. So as I said, general FAQs we have already listed. You can make the changes. And about us section. So this is just a demo website. Your institute, the color and theme, each and everything is completely you will able to change this from admin account. So let's move to admin account. This is the admin account, from where you can customize your website, you can customize your products, you can customize your courses, each and everything. So first of all, we'll discuss about the e-store, from where we can create the product. I'm so sorry, let's discuss first about the setup thing, like from where we will be managing the courses, I can say. So yeah, we have this option, this is standard, subject, topic. So from here you can create the standard, then you can allocate the subject into that standard. So in the add subject, you can choose the standard name in the drop down, then you can decide the subject name, and then we can create the n number of courses. There is no limitation in the courses. You can create the courses, the course name, start date, end date, and you can choose the subject, like for which subject you are scheduling the course. So once we have created the course, This is the base thing. We have already created the course. Now we can allocate a student into the course, or we can create the products for this course. So suppose I want to create the products. So from manage product section, I can create the product name. Product name I can decide. You can decide the product name. It can be any catchy name, and for which course you are launching this product. Description, you can describe your product. Then you can choose the sell limit. If you want to give it as a free of cost, we have that option. Apart from this, you can show like this product is on discount price, so you can choose the actual price, the discounted price, and automatically it will show you the final price. Yes, total user purchase product, it's completely up to you. You can mention the numbers. Then the tags come, like is it a featured product or a recommended one or a popular one. Product items you can choose. It's a study material or else the mock test, classroom classes. We have all the options. As per your product, you can choose the materials. And of course the sales date range, visibility date range. So basically what we are doing here from admin account, we can create the product. We are customizing our product, and the same product will be available in the in your application and on the website as well. Apart from this, if you want to run any coupon, so coupons also you can launch for your products, any vouchers, you can generate the complete registered user. So the registered user details also you can generate. You can get the registered user details from here. So this is about the product management. We have already created the course. We can launch the product. In the same way, if you have your registered student, yeah, so from the student section, I can directly add the student. We can take the admissions as well. We can assign the student into the courses. We can choose the fee templates, and directly the admission process, that also you can maintain from here. For the courses which we have created, if you want to sell the product, that is open for you. Then another thing, that is a fee management for each and every courses. So again, for the fee, we have a data setup option. For each and every courses, we can create the fees as well. Like installments also I can decide. Yes, so here we have the option to decide the installment. So number of days after the course assigned date. So for each and every course, you can decide the installment. And of course, for each and every student, if you want to mold their fee structure, so that you can also do. Suppose this is Abhishek, it's a registered student. Now I want to give any discount. So it's a due amount. So we have this option to give the discount for each and every student. You can just click on the discount option and you can give the discount. Reconfiguration of fee is also possible. So basically you can reconfigure the entire fee structure. And of course, once you will update the payment, student will receive the fee receipt with your institute logo, and you can also generate the complete fee receipt. So this is all about the fees receipt which we'll be getting. Yes. So apart from this, we do have the lead section as well. So, and you can run a campaign, you can manage the inquiries. So your counselors can manage the inquiry. Suppose any inquiry is coming offline in your institute, so the name, email ID, every complete details of the student you can put here. If you want to add any other form field, so that is also possible. Of course, apart from this, you can run the campaign as well. So we have leads, of course, you can upload in Excel also. We have the upload inquiry option. And now if you want to run any campaign or shoot any campaign, SMS campaign, so any campaign also you can shoot from here. So if you have a lead, good number of leads, so you can run SMS campaign as well. If I'll come to the offline class management, so in the dashboard section, definitely you can get all your offline class scheduled for today. So directly from here, you can mark the attendance of the student, or you can update the remarks. You can reschedule the class, and you can cancel the class. So a student will get the notification regarding this. Yeah, let's come to live class section. So as I said, in the live classes, we have a Zoom integration. So for each and every live classes, you need not to schedule the class from Zoom. You can just schedule it from here. So for which faculty you want to scheduling the class. You can choose the course, the master course, and for which student you are scheduling the class. The student will receive the notification in the application. And of course, we are integrating the Zoom, so the interface will be completely same, just like the Zoom. The only benefit is the student need not to download the Zoom, or you need not to share the Zoom link separately. Let's come about with the website. So this is all about the website. We already had a discussion regarding the website. So this is the admin panel of the website, and as I said, you can make the complete changes in the website. So you can decide the logo, the favicon, each and about us image, the pop-up page. So any static page slider I want to add, so I can add. Image sliders I can add. You can decide the theme, the color of your website. We have that option. As I said, FAQs also. So if you want to add any FAQs, we have some FAQ available on the website. But again, if you want to add any FAQs, so that also you can update here. The contact info, each and everything, all type of customization available, or I can say the changes available in the website. So you can change your website as per your institute theme. One more thing I would like to add here, that you will be getting the complete role management. So we will provide you the super admin account, and as per your institute team, or as per your institute role and role requirement, you can make the changes in the roles as well. So yeah, you can see all the role already listed here. So maybe admin is responsible for lead management only, or I can say accountant is responsible for fee management only. So you can create the n number of roles, and there is no restrictions in the role management. Yeah, so this is all about the learning management platform, where you can manage your institute, you can sell your products, or you can sell your content in a very secure way. You can take the live classes in the single platform. You can take the online exam. So it's a complete one-stop solution. as a user, I need not to go here and there, like I need not to download Zoom or I need not to go any other platform for exam. As a user, I'll be downloading your institute app, and each and every functionalities will be available in the application itself.